Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Have you ever wondered what happens when a new security tool comes along and starts to undermine the very protection system that's meant to keep your devices safe? Well, today we're going to explore a fascinating story about a tool called Defendnot that tricks Windows into disabling Microsoft Defender. Defendnot is a cleverly crafted tool created by researcher EASE3N1N that takes advantage of an undocumented Windows Security Center API. This API is used by antivirus software to tell Windows it's installed and managing real-time protection for the device. The problem with this API is that Windows automatically disables Microsoft Defender when an antivirus program is registered, in order to avoid conflicts from running multiple security applications on the same device. And that's exactly what Defendnot does. It registers a fake antivirus product that meets all of Windows' validation checks, thereby disabling Microsoft Defender and leaving no active protection on the device. But here's the interesting part. Defendnot avoids copyright issues by building its functionality from scratch using a dummy antivirus DLL. This means that it doesn't use any existing code or libraries from third-party vendors, which reduces the risk of being flagged as malicious. The way Defendnot works is quite clever. It injects its DLL into a system process called Taskmgr.exe, which is signed and already trusted by Microsoft. From within this process, it can register the dummy antivirus with a spoofed display name. Once registered, Microsoft Defender immediately shuts itself off, leaving no active protection on the device. But that's not all. Defendnot also includes a loader that passes configuration data via a CTX bin file, allowing users to set the antivirus name they want to use, turn off registration, and enable verbose logging. And if you thought that was the end of it, think again. The tool also creates an auto-run through the Windows task scheduler so that it starts when you log into Windows. This means that even after you've removed Defendnot, it can still potentially come back online and start causing trouble. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why should we care about a tool like this? Well, the thing is, Defendnot demonstrates just how easily trusted system features can be manipulated to turn off security features. And that's exactly what makes it so important for us to understand how these tools work and how to defend against them. So let's take a closer look at some of the MITRE ATT and CK techniques behind 93% of attacks. It turns out that Defendnot is being detected by Microsoft Defender as a Win32/sabsik.fl ML detection. But what does this mean in terms of real-world impact? And finally, if you're concerned about your own devices and want to stay safe online, there are some important updates coming your way from Microsoft. From fixes for exploited 0 days to new security patches, it's more important than ever to stay up to date. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of cybersecurity. Until next time, I'm your name for Microsoft Sphere.